Hey guys, Mike from Gasoline Alley here. Today we're going to highlight some more of our new parts. So today we're working on a Structo Bulldozer. Just kind of want to go over the parts quick first. So first off, we have this nice air cleaner that is STP-030. This is actually one of our Tonka parts. Very minimal differences between this and the original Structo. So this one is a great replacement for it. That is TKP-050. Stay there. Next we have the seat here. This is actually a brand new part. This is STP-035. And last, we've had this one for a while. It's our Structo Fireball motor block. That is STP-016. So just going to go over how to put all these parts in, and you'll have a brand new dozer again. All right, so let's get started here. First off, this one has the original motor in it, so I'm not going to take it out, but just to show you how that comes out, or if you're just going to replace it, there's 3 tabs here. You just have to kind of squeeze them, pops in and out. There's enough clearance to go out the side here, so that's easy enough, and then you just pop the new one back in. Next thing, the stack. Again, pretty simple. Just have to kind of push it in. Sometimes if they fight you a little bit, a little warm soapy water helps helps it slide in. So you just twist it a little bit more. There you go, just like that. Next we'll do the seat. So this one's a little more involved. If you think you're pretty good, you can try to put it on like this. It's a little more trickier than that, so I found it's easier to remove the seat housing here. So basically, you go underneath here, straighten your tabs. I already did that prior to this video, and it just kind of pulls off just like that. All right, so the key with this seat, these 2 little prongs here go in these holes, and these top 2 are what actually latch inside the sheet metal piece here. So what I found is easiest, you get these 2 lined up here from the bottom, and they just press in like that. Those get in all the way. Then what you got to do is push this down just a little bit to get it to be tight to the top there, and it should just pop right in. And then as you can see, the tabs are sticking through on the inside there. So easy as that. Put her back on, twist the tabs. Once you get this here from the bottom, and you'll be good to go again. And last, this is probably the easiest part to put in. This is the air cleaner. So it just hooks in from the top and then locks in the bottom. This side on this dozer, so it just goes in like that. See it go through the tab there. Push it down, lock it in, and there you have it. Right, thanks everyone. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos. We're going to keep everybody in the loop with all the new parts where we're going to keep releasing in the months to come. Also, if you think you're looking for something, leave a comment below. We'll try to see if we can help you out. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.